Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're following us on YouTube, please give us a like and subscribe. If you're following us on Rumble, I should say watching on Rumble, please give us a follow. Or subscribe, or both. Helps to drive the algorithm. This is the raspberry bush. And it has survived a beetle infestation, a Japanese beetle infestation. I think they're about done. Haven't seen too many yesterday, just a couple. And let's get into our pepper plant. Ooh, that doesn't need to be in there. There we go. Any peppers yet? No? Okay. Well, we got some peppers starting on this one. And the tomato plants that are there for show are still with tiny green tomatoes. Our other pepper plants are producing rather well. And I have been putting those peppers into the canning. Our giant sunflower, Seymour, is still shooting towards the sky. Whew, what do we got going on here? Why is there all this growth in the way? Oh yeah, what a mess. Well, our zucchinis are doing just fantastic. Have to harvest a few more zucchinis this morning, and we're gonna have to can some more today. I have to do the last batch of jam this morning too. I actually found squash bug eggs on one of the squash leaves. I mean, oh, hang on a sec. Look at that, right there. They don't usually go for the zucchinis. Okay, I have to come back and deal with those eggs. Can't have that spread amongst the garden. Managed to collect a handful of green beans yesterday. Seriously, a handful. Oh, there's some more there. Actually, should we zoom in? Yeah. Our corn and potatoes still surviving in spite of the black flea beetles, which I don't have enough diatomaceous earth to deal with, so I give them a spray of soapy water in the morning and in the evening. Try to keep the beetles at bay. Down here, look at our beans. Okay. Very nice. It's not like I'm wanting for dill. Well, our onion bed, our giant kale plant doing fine. I don't know if some of you have seen at the end of the videos where I keep pouring boiling water on this area. I mean, there are flagstones underneath here. This year, the crabgrass growing between them has been very aggressive. Well, good. See a lot of pollinators flying around inside the flowers. That's perfect. Okay. Got, yeah, we'll come back out and cut those off. Oh, wow. That's weird. Never seen anything attack the basil like that before. I wonder if the squash beetle laid eggs on that. Well, well, well. Huh. Well, our zucchini plants accidentally got squash growing in there. Look, giant squash. Have to come in and cut that out for today's pickling. Oh, very nice. Spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squashes always come out first. Well, just an amazing squash box. Look at the growth. All right, let's go have a look at Butch right after I go deal with those eggs first. Well, we pulled 4 squashes out of the garden. That's to go with the other 4 squashes I pulled over the last 2 days. So that will be canning today. Oh, this bloody plant keeps coming back. Plant, it's a tree. Wow. Aren't you doing well? Wow. Look at Seam. Look at Butch. Hey. Just not bad for a plant that was dead. And our pumpkins getting ready to produce. Okay. This one here climbing towards the other giant sunflower. Oh, look at him. Reaching right for it, eh? Let's get in there. There we go. Now, the only danger with that for pumpkins is that if they start growing a pumpkin, you have to get in there and support it if it's elevated, because it will just grow and snap off. Or the weight of it will just drag the plant down and damage it. Well, the 2 lavender plants in the front are just, aside for the little one there that's competing with the pumpkin, doing really healthy this year. Well, the multi-headed hydra should soon be giving us some sunflowers. All right, so still surviving back there amongst the morning glories. And how you doing here? Are they still trying to come in and choke you? Not yet. Okay. Good. Well, I think this is it for the birdshit berry bush. I didn't even come out and pick this morning. There's hardly any berries left. Good breakfast though. Oh, these are delicious. Good source of antioxidants. Well, this concludes today's episode. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.